So today we're going to be trying to make the cottage cheese protein wrap or flatbread. We're going to be trying that with 1% cottage cheese, and we're going to need 225 grams of this, 2 eggs, and then whatever seasonings you want to add to that. I'm going to be using mine, maybe if I think it tastes good, for like a wrap to eat my tuna with. So if you ain't got a scale to measure out the 225 grams, I'm going to measure it out here in just a second, and I'll let you know how much I've got. 225 grams comes up to probably what looks like about a half of a cup, as you can see right there. So now we need 2 eggs. Now we boiled all of our big eggs up, so I'm going to be using these veiny eggs, and I'm going to be using 4. But if you got big eggs, use 2. Now I've seen where one person added some garlic powder. I'm just going to add just a little bit of garlic powder. And then I'm going to try something different. I'm going to add some of this Grippo seasoning. I like this stuff on everything, so that's what we're going to try it with. Just add a little bit. A few dashes. About that much. So altogether, this wrap is going to end up being about 24 grams of protein just by itself. As you can see here, 12 grams, right here, 12 grams of protein just in that half a cup of cottage cheese. The eggs are going to have 6 grams each. So you're putting 2 eggs in there, you're going to end up with 24 grams just for that. Now the tuna mixture that I have in the refrigerator, that's going to end up being about 24 grams too. It's got eggs in it and it's got tuna in it. The tuna itself is 20. The eggs are 26, I guess. So depending on how many I had in there, I ended up putting 3 of the small ones, so about 1.5, 26-ish. So after about 20-25 minutes, this is what I've got. As you can see, this side here was a little thin, so it ended up getting a little crispier. I'm going to actually cut this in half to where I can make a couple of these, and I'm just going to cut it right down the middle. Put me some tuna on it and give her a try. Now this may work better with it cooking a little longer, but like I said, mine was a little off and got crispy. Probably needs to cook longer than what I did. Man, that is a great high protein. Recipe. Y'all need to give that a shot. Great recipe. Now, as I journey through losing a little bit of weight, trying to gain a little muscle, and going to the gym and whatnot, I may make a few more videos of doing these high protein recipes. So if you like this kind of content, follow me, and hopefully we can lose some weight and get a little bit stronger. Thanks for watching.